Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to enable or get the Google Play Store on any Chromebook. So what you can do is just make sure to follow this process step by step and you will be able to do it. So the first solution is just you will see like this kind of home section. So from here just click on your time, and once you are on the time you will be seeing an icon of settings. So first click on settings, and once you click on settings you will be seeing this interface like you will be in the settings. So just make sure to scroll down, and once you scroll down you will be able to find this option called Google Play Store, and make sure that this is turned on. Like before this will be turned off, so make sure to turn it back on. And once you turn that on, after that you will be seeing this like kind of read terms and services. So just click on accept, and once you accept that, here you go, like here is the Play Store on the Chromebook. You will be able to see like this application onto your Chromebook. So this is the step-by-step guide and easy process. Just click on settings and from here, and after that scroll down and find the Google Play Store, turn it on and accept the policies, and after that you will be able to use Google Play Store or get Play Store on your Chromebook. So that is a simple and easy process.